What's good, you guys? So I just got this orc morph suit costume, and let me tell you, this is one of the best things in the history of things. So I thought I'd do a quick little review video and tell you why I think so. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to where you can get this costume. Alright, now the first thing I want to talk about is the quality of the material. It's 91% polyester and like 9% spandex. It's super durable. When I first got it, I was kind of worried about maybe like tearing it or damaging it, but actually you don't have to worry about that at all. After having it for a while, you know, you can run around in it, you can pretty much do whatever, and you don't have to worry about damaging it. So it's great quality. You can even put it in the washing machine if you want. It's very easy to put on. I think it took me like maybe 20 seconds to put it on the very first time. I didn't need any help from anyone. It just zips right up in the back. It's a full head to toe costume. There are no extra pieces or accessories or anything that you need to get. I've had some people ask me if I can see through it. Yes, I can see through the costume. The material is actually thin enough to see through it. Visibility is not 100%, but I can see fine. Now, one of the best things about this costume and why I got it is how affordable it was. I got it for $29 and change, but it might be even cheaper now, I'm not sure. And the reactions you get from people is totally worth it. It tends to freak them out a little bit, but in a good way. I wore this thing to an event a couple of times and I got all kinds of crazy reactions. People were loving it, they wanted to take pictures, it was a hit. This one guy thought I was naked and the suit was like painted on or something. You can pretty much wear whatever you want underneath, but it's probably best just to wear like some tight fitting underwear or something. Oh, another question that I get from people all the time is if I can breathe through it. And yes, of course, I can breathe through it. I can breathe perfectly fine. You can even drink through it if you want. I don't really recommend doing that though, unless it's water. But you can just unzip the head to eat and drink. So this suit looks great on just about everyone. It doesn't really matter what your body type is, whether you're like super fit or a little bit bigger. As long as you get the right size for your height, it'll look great on you. I'm about 5'9", so I got the large. I'll put up the size chart towards the end of the video so you can get an idea of what that looks like. So now I want to show you guys a few images of what the suit looks like on other people so you can get an idea of what it looks like on like different body types and shapes and sizes and stuff. By the way, this also comes in kids sizes and it also comes in a couple different colors. It comes in a red and a blue in addition to the green. And so you can add some accessories to it to make it a little bit more fun and interesting. And I have some images coming up so you can see what that looks like also. So here you go. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'll leave the link for the costume in the description for you guys. By the way, this is my very first review video I've ever made, but I plan on doing a bunch more, so feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.